Madonna is me do a video. I show you how I do my headband. I just take off one of my headband just to show you again. Because I have one of my Donnas, they must say to do it better. Yes, so on a request, so I have to give it to you, okay? Alright, so I guess let's see how the cloth is. Let me see the length of my arm when it double. So you see? It's not that long. When it double, it's like the length of my arm. The length of my hand, not about arm. Come up to my arm. Yeah. So, I just fold it like this. Put it like this. Alright. Sometimes I twist it like this. Yes. And then just tuck it in. Yeah. Just tuck it in. And it give you a nice headband. Okay, also, cause you don't want it too tight, so it give you a nice look, right? Also, if you want it tighter, you can do it tighter. Sometimes me tight for a peaceful life. Sometimes me tight and then wrap it, and it give you a little bun. It give you a little bun over here, so. But it's the same thing. It give you a little bun at the front right here, so it look like a fancy headband. You get me? Wanna see it now? Wanna satisfied now? So the length of the cloth, stretch material. You want to get stretch material because you don't want it to hurt your head. So get stretch, right? I mean, we could have go for my tape measure. Measure it. Let me go for my tape measure. Okay, so let me measure it for you. So the measurement is 41 inches. Okay, so this is good. 41 inches, and then it's a stretch material. I guess any material you use, you can just do it. Make it in a headband. Got it? Just tuck it in neatly. I love them, you see, it just come handy and it not tight. So yeah, that is just it. I'm gonna sell them. So if you don't want me back, and if you don't want me sell them, selling them, I can get them and list them on my website. Okay? But I have to show you how to style the African style headband them. Well, I don't really know much, but I can go learn it and come show you. Okay? Big up on yourself. Miss on my Donnas. I know I'm not go live, but I'm gonna see with me sometime. Art of love.